In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on voice chat, proximity chat, and pretty much everything that has to do with it here in Arc Writers. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make your way through the tutorial section in Arc Writers, and after you do get on this main menu page, select the settings here down in the bottom right. What you're going to want to do is go over to the audio tab up in this top section over here by selecting audio, and from here scroll down, and what you're looking for is the voice chat option. First things first, go ahead and enable voice chat, and from here you can select your input device and your output device, as well as the automatic gain control. I recommend just keeping this on so it's not like your mic is being super obnoxious. But from here, you're going to see a party voice chat option as well as a proximity voice chat option. You can put it to push to talk. That's what I recommend having it on. And then you could customize that keybind as well as change that party voice chat mode from open microphone to push to talk as well. If you scroll up a little bit, you're going to see all of the volume dials here. I recommend just keeping these at the basic ones, but if you need to adjust them accordingly. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Just make sure that you have voice chat turned on, and then make sure you have these two system outputs set to the, or inputs and outputs set to the exact same thing as your PC or system runs. Like for example, right now I'm using my microphone, so I'd set that to my microphone. For my output, I'd go ahead and make sure that it is set to the right headphones that I use when I'm, listening to my game. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.